to fix avatar option, avatar feature not available on your Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So like I said, in this video I will show you how to create your own avatar using Instagram, so keep on watching. To fix this problem, first of all we have to go on our Instagram, and I want to show you that I really do not have this option. I will go to my Instagram account. And then from here, I will click to those three lines from the right top corner. I will go to settings, and here normally, if I go to account option, here I would have the avatar option. So I already made some screenshots. If I did had the avatar option, I'll show you how it should have been on this page. So I will go to my gallery. So as you can see on your account option, we had personal information, your activities saved, close friends, account status, and then avatars. But we don't have this option. So let's try to fix it. Now I'll go back and I want to show you once again. If I go to the plus icon from the top right of the screen and then go to story, and then I will choose a screenshot, a background photo from here. I'll go with this one, it doesn't really matter. Now let's go to stickers from the top of the screen, and as you can see I do not have the avatar option. If I write it, it's not here. So let's go once again to my gallery to show you how it should have been, just like this. So let's fix this problem, guys. First of all, we have to go to settings on our phone and then scroll down until you find apps. Now you have to search for Instagram or just scroll down until you find it. There we have it. Click on it. Then you have to scroll down, then go to storage. And here at the bottom, as you can see, we have clear data and clear cache. So here you can clear these two. Now we have to check if we now have the option. And if we still don't have it, we have to go on our Play Store, search for Instagram, click on it, and then if you have the update option, then make sure to update your Instagram app. And then check again if you have that option, the avatar option. So if you still don't have it, you have to go once again on your Instagram app. Go to your profile, then go to your settings, and then go to help. And here you have to report a problem. Click on the first option and then click again to report a problem. And here you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can also take some screenshots. You have to say to them that you do not have the avatar option. You can also add here your phone number, email, to make sure that they will respond to you in your email. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.